Today's video, I'm going to tell you everything you possibly want to know about this over the sink strainer. This thing is absolutely awesome. This is one of those things that I had no idea I needed it until I needed it, and now I use it all the time. This could hold up to 6 quarts, and this is expandable. I have a bunch of pasta going on over here. I'm going to show you exactly how it strains over there. I've tested a bunch of other colanders as well. You got nice little feet right over here. This is mesh as well. So this does expand from 14 to 21 inches. I'll show you exactly what that looks like on the sink. This will fit most standard sinks, and it is dishwasher safe, which is really nice. I absolutely love this for hot food that is boiling and stuff like that, because usually what happens is, which we'll show you in 1 second with that pot back there, is you try to hold it and dump it. This, you could literally just put it over the sink and the water is not going to touch any of the food inside. Like I said, we got some little feet in here. We got the double rubber over here and kind of like a double colander right over there as well. It has a 6 quart capacity. The basket is 13 by 9 inches. So let's kind of take a closer look right over here. So this kind of the sink area right over here. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna get the perfect fit. Now, I was a little nervous that it wasn't gonna fit, but I have plenty more space right over here for the sink. So this is super sturdy as well. I'm kind of pushing down on this. Nothing is happening. So the nice part about this right over here, we got some pasta right over here we're gonna dump in. I was nervous that this basket was going to fall. You could see right over there, it barely even moved. So now I have this basket right over here. It's laying just right over there. I have the ability to shake this out. I don't have to touch. You saw I just dumped it over. I didn't have to touch anything. If I wanted to run some cold water through this, I could definitely do that as well. And it's just super easy. And then of course on the bottom, it does have feet. So if you did want to sit it down on a table or something like that, you could easily do that. If you are looking for a great strainer that is colander, that is dishwasher safe, expands in your sink from 14 to 21 inches, don't have to worry about all that boiling water touching your sink and then touching your food. You can literally just set this up. You'll saw it's super sturdy. This thing is not going anywhere. It's dishwasher safe. The mesh is super easy to clean. It's 9 by 13. Just a really, really great product. Absolutely love this thing, as you can see right over here. Super sturdy. And you could even just leave this right over here if you wanted to. And basically serve right out of here without having to even put this. Because sometimes you have the problem where it's running down here when you're trying to put it on the table or something. You can literally just serve right out of here if you wanted to. So if you're looking for a great colander, absolutely love this thing. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and I hope you find the right colander for you.